Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Biometrics and Security, then Fingerprints. Clean the sensor and your finger so the scanner reads distinct ridges. This improves reliability. When prompted, enter a backup PIN or password. Android requires it for certain operations. Follow on-screen prompts and lift and rest your finger slowly across different angles so the sensor captures full patterns. Once done, the phone stores multiple images to match changes in pressure or position. After the first scan, register additional prints. Use both thumbs and an index finger so you can unlock naturally with either hand. Make sure to include angled presses so the sensor recognizes varied touches. Next, enable fingerprint unlock for the lock screen, and if needed, authorize apps and mobile payments. This links authentication to those services. Finally, set the fingerprint timeout and lock screen behavior, so the sensor requires authentication at a frequency that balances convenience and security. You finish by testing unlock repeatedly, using varied hand positions and pressure to confirm consistency. If recognition is slow or inconsistent, make sure the phone software is updated and check for biometric module updates. These fixes improve accuracy. When problems persist, clean the sensor, restart the phone, then delete and re-enroll fingerprints, registering them more deliberately. If you still have trouble, remove the screen protector or try a different finger. Often a dirty sensor or cover is the single cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.